Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji's Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to look at the share analysis of Finolex cables. The reason why we are doing the share analysis right now is this company is presently in the mid-cap sector, that is 9176 crores, and currently staying at an attractive valuation, that is very low stock PE, and we are expecting a positive growth potential for this stock in the upcoming future. Manufacturing business of this company is electrical and telecommunication cables in India, and it has a very good growth potential. The market cap of the company is around 9176 crores, showing that it is a mid cap stock. The current market price is at 590, which is a 22% discounted price from its all-time high of 750 happened in 2018 January. The present book value is 234 rupees, which is 39.66% of the share price. The face value of the share is just 2 rupees, which means a stock split may be possible only in another 5 years. Considering the very slow movement of share prices, I can only assure that it may happen in 5 years. Dividend yield is 0.92, showing that you will get 92 rupees returns per year for every 10,000 rupees invested, which is very negligible. If you look at the bonus history, you can see company has issued 4 bonuses, and the last issue happened in 1999 at the ratio of 1:1, which means there is a rare possibility of getting a bonuses, but we cannot expect it. If you look at the 12-month returns, you can see 109.42%, which is very good. But if you look at the 5-year returns at 50%, which is very moderate, very average. If you look at the maximum returns 22 years, it is more than 2644%, which is very good. If you look at the inventory turnover, it is 3.11, which is moderate. If you look at the pledge percentage, it is 0.00, showing that company hasn't pledged any of its shares. Earnings per share is 30.2, which is considered as very high because it covers 5.1% of the stock price. ROE is 14.4, ROC 19.6, and ROA 12.7, which is above average but not outstanding, but not bad also. It is above average. Debt to equity is 0.00 and debt to profit is 0.1. Both are looking very good. Promoter holding is only 35.92, which is okay. DII and FII has 16.22 and 9.12% respectively in holdings, which means a decent amount has invested and company is attractive for investors. Now if you look at the stock P, you can see it is only 16.8 against an industry average of 32.1, showing that company is largely undervalued, and this is the most attractive part of this company. And the company is making consistent and moderately growing profit in the last 5 years, showing that your money is absolutely safe in this company. Now if you look at the reserves of the company, it is 3384 crores, which was increased from the previous year figure of 2973 on last year 2020, which means company has sufficient reserves to handle any kind of economic shocks. Now if you look at the cash flow, it is showing a negative value, but we can see a further consolidation of debt and more money is going into investments, which means company is expected to get more income as returns in future. So it is overall positive. Now if you look at the chairman of the company is Mr. Deepak Krishnadas Chabaria, whose age is approximately 60, and he got a bachelor degree in engineering management from University of Evansville in Indiana state of USA, and he also got 36 plus years experience in the industry, which means company is headed by experienced and qualified person. Now the Finolex is also the first company in India to manufacture auto cables. This company also has 5 manufacturing plants across India, 28 depots. Depots means storage facilities or large warehouses. Also has 1649 employees working for the company. As per the annual report, company has no subsidiaries but have 1 associate and 2 joint ventures. Information available in annual report PDF page 78. Organization is headquartered in Pune, Maharashtra, and the remuneration paid to the directors, which is 13 members, is 13.3 crores. Information available in annual report PDF page 49, which means only 2.88% of the profit is taken as director's salary, which is okay. So if we go to annual report PDF page 78, you can see part A, subsidiaries. Company has no subsidiaries. Part B, associates and joint ventures, and here you can see the name of associates and joint ventures. Finolex Industries, which is an associate, that is 1 associate, and Finolex Power Systems Private Limited is a joint venture. Corning Finolex Optical Fiber Private Limited is a joint venture. That's all. Now if you go to page 49 of annual report PDF, we can see the salaries and allowances of chairman, executive chairman, CFO, executive director and other directors. Now we can see that the company has been founded in the year 1958, showing 63 years of existence. If you look at the recent financial results, you can see recent quarter, that is quarter 2 2021, showing a net profit of 145 crores. Now if we compare to the previous quarter Q1 2021, it was only 87 crores. Now the previous year same quarter, that is Q2 2020, net profit was 102 crores, which means on quarter there is a rise of 66%, and year on year there is an increase of 42.1%, which is looking very positive, right? This year dividend of 5.5 rupees has already been issued on 16 September 2021, and no more dividends is expected this year. Going to the technical part, we can see the 200 exponential moving average is staying clearly below the price line, showing that the chart is heavily bullish. If you look at the 48 and 13 exponential moving average, you can see a positive crossover here, showing that price is again bullish. Now if you look at MACD is also showing a positive value and it is also strongly bullish. Now if you look at stochastic is also somewhat bullish and it is in the overbought zone. Now if you look at RSI is in the overbought zone and it is showing a short-term bearish signal. So overall, what I understand from the technical indicators is price is strongly bullish, but it may go for a minor correction and consolidation before continuing the rally. The same thing is mentioned here as well. 200 exponential moving average is bullish. 13 and 48 EMA is also firmly bullish. Current price is okay only for long-term perspective. MACD is positive and again strongly bullish. Share may go for a correction, but it will continue the bullish rally sooner or later. Stochastics is neutral and in the overbought zone. RSI index is moderately bearish and very near to the overbought zone. Based on technical indicators, price is strongly bullish, but a minor correction and consolidation is awaited. That is 65% bullish, 20% bearish and 15% neutral. In my opinion, you must follow buy on dip strategy. Support can be found at 549, 530, 508 and 485 levels. Any price around or below 550 will be a fair entry. Opportunities only for long term. Between 510 and 530 will be much better entry. Minimum and maximum long term portfolio allocation is 1% and 3% respectively. That means you can buy 2 to 5 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target and the medium term target as expected is not applicable. But in this case, we are only looking for a long-term target of 700. If you found our video useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.